Today, I'm gonna be making cucumber juice, but before I do, I'm gonna have my smoothie that I just made. I'm gonna add some pine pollen, some camu into my smoothie. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. But before I do any of that, I wanna let you guys know that today, I'm gonna go to the gym. And I was thinking, should I record my clips at the gym? Because I'm not the strongest guy in the world or anything, but I mean, it's something that I'm really passionate about. I like to work out, so I'm like, yeah, why not? I'm gonna record my workout today and show you guys, and then maybe later today I'll show you guys if I prep up some food or whatnot. So yeah, it's gonna be cool. So check this out. All right guys, I'm about to add some camu into my smoothie. It's a really good source of vitamin C. 1 teaspoon of this is like equivalent to, I don't know how many kiwis, man. It's like supposed to be a whole bunch of kiwis. Anyway, I'm about to pour it in here. There we go. So I'm about to add some pine pollen into my smoothie. Add a teaspoon of this stuff as well. Put it in there. I feel the power. So you guys saw that I used 4 cucumbers and 1 lemon.
Good job.
If it's for 1 person, 2 cucumbers and half a lemon. And if you're not using organic, make sure to use a potato peeler and peel off the skin. And you should be good. The ones I used were organic, so was the lemon. I just took off like this little part on the lemon that was kind of blackish. I don't know why it was black. I think it's because of the sticker. You know they put stickers on fruits and stuff?
Yeah.
Why they gotta put stickers on there?
Why do you gotta put stickers?
Anyway, this juice brings us a lot of benefits, guys. It's very hydrating. It's gonna keep us very young. And
yes, give them the facts.
give them the facts from the celery, wait, no, from the juicing Bible. I was about to say the celery Bible.
New religion.
New religion, yeah. If you guys wanna convert, dial 1-800 Bryan is the best juicer in the world.com. All right, that didn't make sense. All right, cucumbers are a natural diuretic due to the high source of water that it has. The cucumbers.
Probably potassium as well.
Potassium too?
That's the reason why.
Oh, that's why?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, thanks for correcting me. Ronald's the expert here. Honestly, I'm not an expert when it comes to juicing. I just drink juice because I know it's good for me. That's mainly the main reason why I do it. I don't have any health problems or nothing. That's usually when people actually start juicing. They try to find a specific juice for a specific problem that they might have. But I just do it because I want to stay healthy, you know? Which is, I think is the reason why everybody should do it, you know? I think everybody should juice, not because they are sick or whatever, because it's good for you.
It's a habit. It turns into a habit.
Yeah, like my brother, he's probably been juicing for over 10 years, right?
Yes, over 10 years, yes.
Over 10 years, yeah. And then at home, I've obviously been drinking juice because he used to make juice, or he still does. So we've been juicing for a while. All right guys, it's the next day. I'm gonna go make some food downstairs, but before I do, I wanna show you guys my workout from yesterday, which was a leg day. I know there's a lot of women following me right now. So, and a lot of them are probably trying to make their booty better.
Oh, booty gains.
Yeah, make some booty gains, that's what I'm trying to say.
It's really popular right now.
It's trending right now.
I mean, Instagram is filled with it.
Yeah, it's filled everywhere, man. It's like
this.
Booty this, booty everywhere. Isn't there a song like that? A rap song? Like booty here, booty, booty, booty everywhere. Why do they make so many songs about the booty? I don't know.
People are fascinated with the booty, man.
They're fascinated with the booty.
We're in the booty era right now.
We are in the booty era.
This workout is pretty good for the booty too.
Yeah, it's good for the booty. Alright guys, I don't even know what to say anymore. I wanted to show you guys my workout, which I am gonna show you. But I've been following my friend's workout program. And he's a professional trainer here in LA. And he trains a lot of professional athletes, football players, actors, artists, a whole bunch of people. So
famous
one day
a
whole bunch of famous people.
Like this guy right here.
I'm not
2 million
famous.
views on his celebrity.
Be quiet, man. Get the hand out of the frame. All right, so I'm so thrown off right now. Yeah, so he created a workout program for us. And let's just get started. First exercise of the day was a split squat, and a lot of his workouts that he's been teaching us has been to correct our imbalances. And I think it's been really good because so far so good. We have gotten 0 injuries with our workouts. We haven't been injured yet, which I think is a plus, because in the past I would kind of get injured, not for too long, but it was like slight injuries. And then Ronald right here's in the back, like touching his hips. What are you doing with your hips, dude?
Oh, it was hurting.
It was hurting?
But then it went away.
Really?
Yeah.
Like magic.
It's probably because of my balance.
All right, so we ended up doing split squats. We did 4 sets of that, and then 6 reps per side. And I know I'm gonna get a lot of people criticizing my form in this video, because even I see that my form isn't all that perfect. But the only guy I listen to is Matt. So Matt, if you're watching this, go ahead and criticize away, man. I'll listen to you, my friend. So then the next movements that we were gonna do 3 exercises, and then we repeated those 3 exercises. I believe it was for 4 sets or 3 sets. For 4 sets. Leg press was 4 sets, the other ones were 3 sets. So we did the leg press for 10 reps, and then we did single leg good mornings. And he told me to use an easy bar. I was like, no, I'm not gonna use an easy bar, I'm gonna use a barbell. Because I thought I could do it, but it was a lot harder. It's a lot harder to keep your balance without the easy bar. So next time I'll do it, and I barely lifted up my leg on that movement. Anyway, then after that we went to body saws with the slide. Is that what it's called?
With the sliders.
With the sliders. Is that what it's called? I forgot what this thing was called. Body saws with sliders. That's what we did. And I know my form wasn't good on that, so Matt, go ahead and criticize my form. Then after that, we did wall sits for 40 seconds. And
how's your form on that one?
Man, that one was easy. And then we did kettlebell deadlifts, which I think my form's pretty good on that one. What are you gonna criticize about my form right there? Nothing, man. Look at that.
Man, look at that shot.
Look at that form, bro.
Look at that shot.
Yeah, Ronald got that shot for me. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. And then, oh man, I know I'm already moving. I'm moving way too much in this exercise. I know he's gonna tell me, Brian, you have to pretend like there's a wine glass on your back and you don't want to spill anything.
You already spilled your celery
juice. I already spilled the celery juice in there. So yeah, that was my workout. All those movements, they weren't just done one time. They were done multiple times. So I did it in multiple sets, is what I'm trying to say. Anyway, I said we go make some food downstairs and go make some more gains, because look at that. These muscles are about to rip out of this shirt, dude. So yeah, let's go make some food downstairs. All right, guys, so I'm currently editing the video you guys are watching right now, and I decided not to cook today.
Because he was lazy.
Correct. Yeah, I didn't feel like cooking, man. It was gonna be too much work. I just felt like eating out, so that's what I did. I went to Tacos Tu Madre.
Which translates to?
Tacos your mother. literally, that's what that means. Tacos your mother. That doesn't even make sense. Anyway, yeah, I ended up getting tacos, and I ended up getting a bowl today. I got the vegan banh mi bowl, which is really good. It had rice, beans, pico de gallo, it had tofu, it had kale, it had corn.
Had everything.
Had everything. It had the works. The works. It also had, I also ordered tacos. I had 2 tacos, Ronald had one of them, and it has soy riso in it. It's pretty good. It has some onion, has some jalapeno peppers.
Did you eat the onions?
Yeah, I hate onions.
You never eat onions.
I had to.
Oh, I should have taken a picture, man.
Yeah, I don't know. I had the onions today. Just felt like it. I was like, I'm gonna go straight home. I can brush my teeth. No problem. Yeah, so that's what I did. And I'm currently editing the video you guys are watching, which I think I already said that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because I'm coming out with a lot more content. I'm like dedicated right now. Dedication, man. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm about to, I don't know the song. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.